Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to this third episode of the Firebase tutorial. So we managed to set up our methods for writing data. I just wanna fix a few things. So here, let's just try and add our data dynamically. This, instead of having this here, let us just have it here, and then this be data, right? And then you just take out this whole gibberish, right? So yeah, I think so. Let's just test if this thing works. So let me just go here because I'm lazy. Here, because this executes first. I'm just gonna try and add random data just to see if this is working. So the first thing I'm gonna do is initialize this database. Right, and then now let me just go ahead and create the map of string and object, because I don't know which object am I gonna add. Let me call it data equals new hash map. Okay, so data dot put, so name rips, and then let's just add 4 things. Work tester, junkie, true, age 50. Yeah, I'm hitting retirement soon. Okay, so what we need is to call at this one here. So this, and then we add data. So the aim is that you'd be able to, is this true or true? So the aim is that you'd be able to provide your key value throughout your execution, and then just export the data only after the test is done. So this requires a try catch, if I'm not mistaken, right? So the one thing that I wanna explain is that there's different types, especially when you're dealing with Firebase. So you have set, you have add data. The difference is that this one will replace everything that it finds on bookings example document. So there's set, there's add, and then there's update, I think. So we'll look at them after execution of this one. So let us just go ahead and see if we can add data to that database. So I expect this one to replace this existing fields. So right, so you see, so this one replaces everything. So if we go here in the documentation, let us go and see where it says add data. So this documentation shows you all all the queries that you might need to perform on this database. You can read data, structure and validate, whatever, cloud function, cloud Firestore integrations, there's functions as well, and that's a very powerful tool. So let's look at adding data. So because here we just want to add data, but then there should be a specific way in which we want to add data. So the set document itself, if it doesn't exist, it will create it and then it will replace the contents. You have set and you have add. Add is add document. So add is very powerful because with set you specify your document, this one here, but then with add excuse me, with add you can just add without specifying the document, and it will generate you what do you call this, an auto ID. It will just generate an auto ID. So what we want is an update. So update, a normal update, if the document doesn't exist, it will not write anything. So what we need is this what did we use? We used get. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't find. Okay, let me just search for it. It has a merge. Oh yeah, it's also a set, but then it merges, not an update, sorry. It's this one here. Yes, so we need to determine if we just need to use a set, an add, or just an update. So for now for mine, I'm gonna need to use a set with merging options, because I'm not gonna create documents all the time. So sometimes I'm even planning to use this within a specific date time. So if I'm running tests for today, this might be today, so everything for today will fall into this. So I don't need to create a new document all the time, so hence I need to use this and then merge options. So this one, to use it, it's the same thing. We just need to say copy and then paste, and then here it says updates merge options. And then right, import this. Okay, so to test this, let's just add two country Mzansi, and then maybe what else can I day Monday. Okay, so this is just to test if we are able to add data before we write our results to the database. So let's just go ahead and run. So the expectation is that this shouldn't replace everything, but should actually write on top of it. All right, so here we have our country and the day, these two added. So for now we are good with this one. So if you want to perform extra functions, just remember that this documentation will guide you. Everything you need to know is here. Even if you're using a real time instead of Firestore, all that you need is in here. Your queries, whatever you need to perform. So for now, for me, I just need to write today's database. The reading, I'll do it later, but at this point the aim is to write, and then I think I have achieved that through this test, and I'm set to go. So in the next video I will just write all the results to my database. And this is it for this episode, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, whatever. I'll see you next on the upcoming video. Bye for now.